Good morning. I have no idea what day it is. Today the 22nd, 23rd? Feels like it's the 23rd of December. We're at John Pennekamp State Park. We're gonna go on a glass bottom snorkel tour, and we are on December vacation here in Florida. We're starting off our first full day of vacation in Key Largo. Arrived yesterday, hung out at the hotel, very nice, Baker's Key. Now we're just chilling here, waiting to go on the boat. We saw some fish at the third largest reef. It's a beautiful day to be on the water, that's for sure. We've been driving for about 2 hours. We left John Pennekamp State Park and been driving south on Highway 1. And everybody should do it once. Twice, round trip. And I think we got another half hour to go. Our hotel's at the end of Duval Street, so. 2.5 hours later, we've checked into our hotel and we are walking down Duval Street in Key West. Good morning. We are in Key West. We're gonna go find some breakfast and do some sightseeing here in our first full day at Key West, December 24th. So we're gonna get in line to take our picture with the southernmost point buoy. Look at all these people waiting in lines like Disneyland. We're here at the Hemingway house. That's the Hemingway house. We saw the main house. Just got to see the writing studio. We saw the cats. Merry Christmas. We are still in Key West. Just lounging. Go find some breakfast. Christmas morning in Key West. Look how quiet it is. Hide the rooster across the street. Nice. Come on, say it. You know you want to. It's Christmas Day. We're at Smathers Beach here at Key West. A little windy, warm, nice day. It's like summer in December for us. There's a little sandbar right there. We're here at Smathers Beach. Are we gonna walk out? Ocean temperature is about 78 degrees. All right, it's been a day of relaxing here at Key West, and now we're at Mallory Square to watch the sunset. It's very clear today. Christmas evening. That's confused with Christmas Eve. This is Christmas evening at Key West, Mallory Square. Christmas, Key West. gorgeous morning view from our balcony in Key West. We're going to make our way up to the Everglades. Beautiful morning here in Key West, December 26th. Bahia Honda State Park, December 26th. We are making our way up Highway 1. We're in Marathon. We're going to the Dolphin Research Center to see dolphins.
Can really tell the size difference too.